Okay, Maharaj, we want to know, how do we live a blissful life?
Okay, everybody is very common. Don't want suffering, want a happy life. Now, these are the words happy, unhappy, but like how one makes one happy. The only idea of happiness is some women are very happy, they got the car they wanted, man is happy, they got the house they wanted, and few children get the best education. Now, children, the best education for them, what is the best education? Yeah.
College.
Which can make security,
Yeah.
make them earn good money. Lot of parents want to send to the children what they could not fulfill in their life, but their children could.
Yeah.
Not knowing that this fake life, 90% is producing earning bread. But what is, all of them, they miss the life itself. So life, they find it in the wife. The real wife is wisdom inside forever. And what is the real life? Life inside forever. The life they live now is 5. What is 5? Fear inside forever. Fear is living inside them. Now, what is the fear? All the time thinking. Past to future, future to. They're in the yo-yo. Yo-yo mind, always worried mind. Of course, occasionally the car they wanted, they achieved, whether it is in 5 years or 5 months, does not matter, but full of desire, full of restlessness, full of anxiety, with the occasional pleasures. Then they take drugs. Drugs is shut up the mind. 2 kind of drug. One is the put you to sleep, alcohol, extrovert is a drug. Then the introvert drug, which shows that the mind is fake, the life is fake, and that is connect to you. Shut up your mind to sleep for a while. For a while means maybe 1 hour to 1 day or 2 days, and then you are back again with the interest. With the interest means the problems have not gone, they have come back with the interest. But if the heart chakra is open, then the mind is still there, but it is not driving you. So is the life. that in the sound sleep, you don't like to become anybody because you are connected with the being, and then you don't want any gold, any money, anything, because you are completely secured. Your mind, which was securing, is secured in this sound sleep. But that sound sleep is not 8 hours. That may be 20 minutes or half an hour. So is it possible to live that life of 24/7, that sound sleep, where bliss, not even that kind of joy which is pleasure, pain, loss and gain, name and fame are all the same, because that pleasure, momentary pleasure, turn into pain. Any best food you eat turn into opposite. So it is why this is the dual life of the mind, but it seeks the no mind. The proof is not satisfied with the mind and its objects. So it want more, 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 more. What it want? Does a dead person want more and more?
No.
Why? Because there is no mind. There is mind is the subtle form of the body. So body mind complex is the little box, a capsule you live in, and you want to experience the infinite, 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 unbounded, and that is your real eternal spirit. But you don't live it. A child lives that, and a child 8 hours go like 8 minutes. So that you are encapsulated into the time capsule. How to live eternity now? Eternity now, when you have innocence of the heart open 24/7, that means pure, pure heart. And it's too simple because it is only in here now. We miss it because we are doing either journey, running, becoming. We are caught in that. We are not in the here now, which is so easy, which is linear, which is not divided into past, future, past, future. The time is no longer. And it's extremely simple. And you cannot understand it with the mind because the mind wants to figure it out. How do I get the state? The truth cannot be taught. It already is in your inbuilt, as long as you have a pure, honest heart and don't let the things break it up. That is the pure innocence. All other things, which are things, the objects, they try to break it up. But the very proof is everybody enjoy the sound sleep because it is rejuvenation of the body mind. Even the supercomputer is proving that, which is from 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, they all dissolve into 0. 0 means no thingness. All things are coming from the 0, from the wholenessness, and dissolve into thatness. And that is the uh, living from the heart, not living from the head. Headless living is what kind? Oh, it is no head. No, head is there, but only when needed. Like money is good as a servant, bad as a master. The same way, the head is there, but good as a servant, but bad as a master. So, open your heart, pure heart. Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti.